Is your Samsung microphone not working? Let's fix it in 1 minute. First, check physical blocks. Remove the case and clear lint from microphone ports. Test with the voice recorder app. Record a short clip and play it back. Try a wired or Bluetooth headset to isolate hardware versus software issues. Restart the phone. A simple reboot often restores microphone function. If it still fails, open Settings to inspect app permissions and audio settings. In Settings, tap Apps, select the app, then Permissions, and choose Microphone Access. Toggle the microphone permission off and on, then force stop and reopen the app. Clear the app cache. Open storage for the app and tap Clear Cache, then test again. Check for system updates and settings under Software Update and install any available patches. Boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps. Hold power, long press restart, then tap safe mode. Quick recap: check ports, test recorder, verify permissions, clear cache, update, and try safe mode. Still stuck? Contact Samsung support.